I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2010 Ford Ka remote key fob. First of all, you flick the blade open, and in there you can see a little screw, and you've got unlocked and locked, and there's an arrow in the screw, if you can see there. So turn the screw to unlocked. You don't have to unscrew it any more than that. Flick that out. That's the battery there. I'll flick the battery out. It's a 2032. Put this back in reverse order, but you have to, that kind of locates under there. So in like so, with that flat there, kind of like so, and then bend it in. Flip that back to lock. That's it done.